and we're gonna become the most badass version of ourselves. Are you ready?
Let's go!
We're gonna slide to the side now. Slide, slow, up, and smash. It's like you're smashing a giant picture frame. Speed this up, go. Hey! God, you already look so much more beautiful. Break the plate, let's go. Take it and smash it good. This is cute, but I think you can get angrier. Here we go. Oh, she's mad.
I don't get mad, I get better! Let's go!
This is where we look sexy while we get our breath. We are smashing a picture of something we've just got to move on from. Go!
I had to break it and rearrange it and turn into a beautiful mosaic. I saw a problem, I had to change it.
Grab that and take it to the side, let's go!
Porcelain, shattered pieces on the floor like porcelain. Porcelain.
Oh, you don't give a f*** about those dishes.
Y'all bitches!
Just to feel my skin. Porcelain.
I want you to smash these dishes like you just caught them cheating on you.
Caleb!
Porcelain.
She's getting porcelain everywhere. Work it out.
Something died, now I'm born again.
Born again!
My spirit flies, now I'm traveling.
And the strong arms.
I made a change and it's everything. And now I'm stronger than I
Take
ever
that arm
been.
up. Take it up. Woo.
And now I'm stronger than I ever been.
I know you're stronger than you've ever been.
Yay!
I read your book.
I wanna rock, I wanna rock.
Hey! Woo!
So cute!
Stream Porcelain everywhere you stream music. And make sure you buy her book. It's fantastic, and the audiobook is even better.